Well, President Joe Biden updates the nation on the battle against the coronavirus pandemic. Now, it comes as new cases are rising, which is worrying White House COVID-19 response team. And by the way, they are not yet calling it another surge. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Eric, Easter Sunday is less than a week away. Christians are marking the holiest week of the year. There is hope that the pandemic will end soon, but today the president warned that the nation is in a life and death race with the virus.
President Joe Biden goes before the cameras.
We could still see a setback in the vaccination program. And most importantly, if we let our guard down now, we could see a virus getting worse, not better.
The White House says 36% of U.S. adults have received at least one dose of a vaccine, and close to 1 in 5 adults are fully vaccinated.
I'm reiterating my call for every governor, mayor, and local leader to maintain and reinstate the mask mandate. Please, this is not politics.
But daily new cases are up 10%. Hospitalizations have increased, and deaths are up nearly 3%, hovering around 1,000 a day.
I'm going to pause here. I'm going to lose the script.
Dr. Rochelle Walensky of the COVID-19 response team laid it on the line, urging Americans not to give up now. Get vaccinated. She's worried about the current trajectory of the pandemic in the U.S.
And I'm going to reflect on the recurring feeling I have of impending doom. We have so much to look forward to, so much promise and potential of where we are, and so much reason for hope. But right now, I'm scared.
At this afternoon's White House press briefing,
the president has not held back in calling for governors, leaders, the American people to continue to abide by the public health guidelines.
Meanwhile, longer protection for renters living on the edge. The White House extends a federal moratorium on evictions through June.
The president is committed to supporting renters and small landlords through the COVID-19 crisis.
The president also said today that by April 19th, just 3 weeks from now, there will be a vaccination site within 5 miles of where most Americans live. The president also warned that the war is still far from won. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.